Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're signed in and ready. Create a new calendar, pick a clear name and the correct time zone, then save. Once done, open that calendar's settings and choose Share with specific people. Add collaborators by email addresses. Make sure to assign initial permissions so they can add or edit events as needed. This gets you out of setup and onto collaboration immediately, rather than fiddling with general account settings that aren't necessary right now. Now configure how people interact. Assign permission levels, view only, edit events, or full manage and share, so roles are clear. Create an event, add guests, set a color for visual grouping, and include a useful description with location and agenda. Once done, set default notifications and confirm mobile sync so alerts arrive on phones. Make sure overlays for multiple calendars are manageable. Turn off unrelated calendars to reduce. Finish by sending invitations and confirming collaborators accept. Track RSVP so you know who's attending and update events with any changes. Export a calendar backup or import shared schedules if migrating, and set working hours to prevent accidental bookings. If someone reports missing events, first make sure the calendar is visible in their list and that the correct account is active. Then verify their permission level in settings. If problems persist, ask them to refresh the app or re-add the calendar to force a sync.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.